Hello students, welcome to the science class. Today we'll start our 16th chapter, that is garbage in, garbage out. Garbage is basically rubbish every day from our home, school, shops and offices. Garbage are basically the packets of biscuits, milk, the oil purchased in the shop, the packets in the plastic bags, tins. They are all kind of waste material that we have to throw away. We generate so much of garbage in our house in day to day life, like we throw away ground net shells in public places. When you are boarding a bus or a bus, you throw away the ticket on the road. You might just go on sharpening your pencil just for fun. If we make a mistake or spilling ink on a notebook, we tear off the sheets and throw it away. And we also throw away many domestic waste such as broken toys, old clothes, shoes, slippers. What is this? This is all a garbage. And if somebody doesn't, if the garbage is always kept like this, nobody throws away the garbage, what will happen? The garbage will start rotting, the place will be unhygienic, and you might catch many diseases. So we have to dump garbage somewhere. You must have seen that a safai karamchari comes to your place to take away the garbage from your house. And have you ever thought, where does this garbage go? Have you ever thought about it? Here comes with dealing with garbage. These Safai Karamcharis collect the garbage in the trucks and take it to the low lying area, open area called landfills. There are parts of the garbage that can be reused it can be reused is separated from the one that cannot be used much. Thus, we need to first of all separate the non-useful component from the useful component from the garbage. It is then spread over the landfill and then covered with layer of soil. Once the landfill is completely filled, it is usually converted into a park or a playground. On this area, on this landfill, when it is completely filled, no buildings can be built for 20 years. To deal with such of the useful components of garbage, compost making areas are developed near the landfill. Now, what is this compost? Let us understand this with the help of an activity. Let's take out the garbage from your dustbin and make two groups into it. Let one group be the garbage from the kitchen, that is your fruit and vegetable peel, eggshell, waste food material, all food material like and newspaper, dry leaves, paper bags, etc. And in group 2, you will keep pieces of cloth, polythene, bags, broken glass, aluminium, old shoes, broken toys is in group 2. Now, from group 1 also you make two separate heaps, and group 1 one heap you put it in the polythene and just close the mouth of the polythene. And group 2 also, what you have to do, you take one, divide it into two parts and wrap one in the polythene closely, and so you have now four heaps of garbage with you, A, B, C and D. Now what you have to do is, you have to, from garbage A which is not in the polythene, you put it in the, make a pit and put it in the pit and cover it with soil. Group B is basically the kitchen waste that is packed in the polythene and you put it in the pit again. Then there is group C, which is your other waste, and you have put it directly into the pit. And group D again, you are putting it in a polythene and putting in, means now you have to put four these portions in four different pits. What you have to do is, after some times, 2 days, just start observing it. You will see that the group A, which was kitchen waste, which was kept in the uh, pit A, is has started rotting and there is no smell into it. And in the same kitchen waste which is kept in a polythene, it has partially started rotting and there is a smell. And group D, which is kept in the mud, which is not completely rotten, it is like that only. And group D is again like the same thing. So we have understood from the observation, if the garbage was found to rot completely and did not smell, mix it with the soil where you sow your favorite plants. This would give nutrition to your plants. You must have observed from the activity that they form manure which is used for plant. The rotting and conversion of some material into manure is called composting. In some cities and towns, municipality provides a separate dustbin for collecting two kinds of garbage. You must have seen it, a blue bin and a green bin. A blue green bin is for the material that can be used again, such as plastic, metals and glass. And the group B is a kitchen waste, all kitchen waste, domestic waste, leaves and other things which can be from activity 1 you have understood, which has been converted into compost. You must have seen garbage like dry leaves on the roadside. What happens sometimes, the farmer burns these dry leaves and crop part, and they just burn it off, and it produces harmful gases which is not good for our health. So we should stop practicing this burning of the leaves and other crop husk and other thing. This is all for today, and tomorrow we will study about vermicomposting. Thank you and have a nice day.